Therapist is facing felony charges tonight.
Yeah, police say he had sex with one of his group therapy patients at Peak View Behavioral Health. 50-year-old Daryl Wainwright is facing charges of sexual assault against a client by a psychotherapist.
KRDO News Channel 13's Katie Lang talked to a counselor who says these relationships aren't uncommon.
It's a place those in need are supposed to go to get help. But in this case, a patient at Peak View Behavioral Health claims she received much more.
Providing group therapy counseling for the victim in this case, and ultimately engaged in sexual contact with her on 2 occasions.
Police say 50-year-old Daryl Wainwright admitted he had relations with the client not once, but twice.
In terms of our ethics and the standards in our field, that's not something that you would do.
Fred Dearborn has been a licensed professional counselor for 20 years.
You're not their friend. You're there to treat them for something. And if you're treating them for something, that's the role or the position that you're in, is working with them professionally.
Yet Dearborn says this isn't the first time he's heard claims of a therapist and patient getting close.
There's a vulnerability being in this position because when you are with clients, there's a kind of intimacy that develops in the relationship, and so it does happen that therapists make that mistake. It doesn't make therapists a terrible person. It just means that they've made a mistake.
Police spokesperson Larry Herbert says it's incredibly important that patients can feel safe.
This is to protect individuals that are seeking help, not to be victimized further by somebody trying to take advantage of them.
In Colorado Springs, Katie Lang, KRDO News Channel 13.
Thanks so much, Katie. And at this time, only one victim has come forward. Police say if you were a victim, they ask you to call them at 444-7000.
New charges against